Well, good morning guys. Up at the patch, beautiful, about 8 mile/hour wind, but blue skies, really busy. I've got my Kloudrider, which I rebuilt the other day, and a couple of other little aeroplanes. So I'm going to start with this one, test the area out. Cheers. It's one loud ESC.
0 meters. 0 meters.
I think I'll land. Well, it's fun guys. Although the Vario is saying 146 meters, it seems to be stuck on that. Listen.
146 meters.
So I'll have to reset that or something. Anyway, there we are. It was a good first flight. Enjoyed that. That was actually 4 minutes of motor run, but the flight itself was quite a bit longer. Okay, gonna have another fly with the Cavalier. Oh, Kloudrider, beg your pardon. Cavalier's the other Camco. Here we go. Oh. Winds at 12 mph. It's a stall turn, but I guess gliders don't do it very well. Alright, let's try a landing. It's a bit high. Let's go around, shall we? better. Okay.
Engine off. 121 meters.
That was enjoyable, chaps. Your Camco Kloudrider. Except there aren't any clouds. That finishes off this morning's flying. All good fun. And yeah, beautiful day. So see you in the next one. Cheers guys.